Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Ford Explorer 2006 to 2010? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2006 to 2007 Ford Explorer distributes power and protects electrical circuits for interior components like lights, power windows, radio, and climate controls. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2008 to 2010 Ford Explorer powers and protects interior electrical systems such as lighting, infotainment, power outlets, and climate controls. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2006 Ford Explorer protects and distributes power to critical engine-related systems like the ignition, fuel pump, cooling fan, and ABS. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2007 Ford Explorer supplies and protects power to key systems such as the engine control module, ignition, fuel system, cooling fans, and ABS. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2008 to 2009 Ford Explorer distributes and protects power to essential systems like the PCM, ignition, fuel pump, cooling fans, and ABS. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2010 Ford Explorer provides and protects power for vital systems such as the PCM, ignition, fuel pump, cooling fans, and ABS.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.